Welcome guys. If this is your first time to my channel, I am Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner. So today I'll be sharing with you how to build layers outside of using dimensionals and how we're going to do that with scrap paper. Most of us have scraps lying around in our supplies. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the card front that I'm creating here. So on this particular card front, I already have the two larger layer, the designer series paper and the purple, and two smaller layers, which is the pink and the white cardstock. So the gift tag, I'm gonna sit it on top of the two smaller layers. Since the gift tag would be sitting 2 layers high, I'm going to add 2 pieces of scrap paper to the top, which is kind of suspended in the air, and 2 pieces of scrap layers to the bottom, so it'll be more flush against the card. Make sense? You guys like my upcycled Captain Crunch cereal box? I like the craft color of the cereal boxes. And plus, it's more sturdy when you're making your gift tags. If you like what you see here today, consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So let's talk about this little guy here, the penguin. And I'm going to use a punch. You could cut several images to build on layers. So I'm going to demonstrate that here with the penguin. So with this technique, your layered image would lay flushed against your card versus if you were to use dimensionals. In essence, your handmade card could last a little longer. Now to the top of the penguin head, I'm adding an additional scrap piece of paper because it's hanging off that top layer on the gift tag. So if you're getting any creative value from this, go ahead and smash that like button down below so other people like yourself could see my video. Next, my sentiment, I'm just going to add additional layers to the back of that and pop that up. And then I'm going to finish it off with a little bling. And then when I'm ready, I could add this to the base of my card. Thank you guys for joining me today. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.